So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can convert iPhone video to slow motion. So for this, you will need a video editor app on your iPhone. And for this video, we are using UCut. But you can go with any other app of your choice. So to install UCut, open the App Store on your iPhone. Now here, tap on the search option and then search for UCut. Now this is the app. Tap on this icon to download and install it. Once the app is installed, tap on the open button and this will launch the app. Now here tap on Ask App Not to Track. Now you will have to import the video you want to convert into slow motion. For this, tap on this plus icon and now import the video. For example, this one. And now this will import the video. Now if I play the video, it will play normally. To convert the video into slow motion, we will have to change its speed. For this, tap on this video and then tap on speed. By default, it is on 1x. Now, drag the slider to the left to make it slower. For example, let's say 0.5x. Once done, tap on this tick icon and this will convert the video into slow motion. Now as you can see here, the video plays at 0.5x speed. So this is how you can convert iPhone video into slow motion. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.